Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have four-wheeler, so this video is very important for you. I have already in Tesla car, and sometimes my Tesla inside is very dirty, so I'm not able to clean properly because of I need a vacuum. Even I have different types of vacuum, but using this vacuum I'm not able to clean entire my Tesla. So that point of view, I purchased new of the vacuum, and this vacuum is just made for the cars only. That point of view, I purchased this vacuum cleaner. It's very simple and easy. In this video, I am providing you unboxing as well as how I clean my Tesla using this vacuum cleaner. So first of all, I will tell you what is the price of this vacuum cleaner. Just only 200 Danish krona, around 2500 INR. So I'm happy about spending 200 Danish krona. So now we will see unboxing of this product. And this is a chargeable product. You can charge once and use 3 to 4 hours. Such kind of information they already provided the box. Yeah, pipe, vacuum pipe. Oh, this is our product. And box is empty. This is a magic booklet. You have no idea how to use it. Here also they are providing how to use it. This one is also pipe. This one is also pipe, different types. And this one you can use directly. So now I just simply open this one. Okay, so I just simply fix here. Here I just simply remove this one, and before start you need to charge first of all, because of this is not 100% charge. So after complete the 100% charge, I just simply on this vacuum cleaner, and you can listen the noise. It's really powerful. You just simply press here and open the vacuum cleaner. Your dust maybe come here, so you can open here and you can just clean this vacuum cleaner. It's easy. It's little hard to open, but this is a process to open. Now I just simply fix here, and number one, this one you can very easily put it like this and use the small mouth using this one. That one is really interesting, so you can use little stone also, some of the stones in your car. This one you can use like this. It's nice. And last one, this is a big pipe, so you can fix like this, and after that you can use like this. So now remaining video I will show you inside the car. It's really worth it to purchase this product or not. We will see remaining video. So look at this, guys. This is my car, and here some of the dust is available. So I'm using this vacuum and clean the space. So now let's start. Just I start. Entire dust is gone. Even space here also. Otherwise you don't use this one, use directly. It's really very effective. You should purchase this one and fix your problem very easily. Clean entire dust in your Tesla car or other car. This is one of the best product to clean your car internally. I'm purchasing this product. The supermarket name is a Fortex and the price is a 200 Danish krona. I'm really happy to purchase this product here in Copenhagen, Denmark. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.